Hi, thanks for joining us at Hitch Trailers in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This is our 7/16 Lark United trailer. It has a V-nose which is an additional 18 inches beyond the 16 foot. It has 16-inch on centers, 24 on the top and the bottom, rear ramp that holds up to 2,000 pounds at a time. It's called a medium duty, tandem 3,500 pound axles, steel wheels, and 205/75 radial 15s. It has a side door with an RV latch. It has a seamed roof. And this trailer comes with a 5-year unlimited transferable warranty from the manufacturer. See why this trailer is our most sold over the past 7 years. It's versatile for moving someone to college, to go tailgating, or to pick up furniture. Please call us today at 918-286-7900 and drive away with your 7x16 Lark trailer today. Thank you.